How to fix FIFA 23 security violation secure boot not enabled error. 1. Enable the secure boot option in your BIOS settings. Note, you may need to upgrade your firmware and or hardware first. For more info resecure. Boot, Google. 2. Uninstall EA anti-cheat. Note, this option could cause some other issues. Then run the game as administrator. Like this. 3. Reinstall anti-cheat instead. Default path, Steam library Steam apps common FIFA 23 _ installer EA anti-cheat.